Hello guys, I'm very happy to have you guys here today. So what I'm going to talk about today is how to set up a professional Facebook ads. So first thing that you must think of and you must consider is before you're able to run a Facebook ads, you need a professional Facebook business page. So the first thing here is I'm showing you the dashboard, the professional dashboard of my buyer's page. So as you can see, I completed all the 13 steps, everything done successfully. So whatever the buyer provides is what you add in their page. This buyer refused to drop a WhatsApp, so I click not applicable. So as you can see here, guys, these are the other things that are in this Facebook. Yeah. So I want to show you the page. So as you can see, this is the page here. As you remember, when I was explaining Instagram in my previous video, I told you that once you want to run an ad, you must have a little bit content, an eye-catching content on what your buyer is selling, which is here. As you can see here, I shortlink the buyer store link through using Bitly. You could just go on bitly.com and sign up, then you input the link you want to shortlink, then you get the link in a new and a little bit shorter form. So I got these all these tags from rightstart.com. I showed you that how to use that also on my previous video. So if you haven't checked my previous video, please go and check them out now to understand what I'm saying better. So now I want to teach you guys how to run. I want to show you guys how to run ads. I'm going to click on this boost. Okay, let me just go to the first post here. I'll click on boost post. Oh, okay. I can see what is happening here. The ads account has been disabled. Oh, okay, no problem. I'm coming. I will get another one now. I'm coming. 1 minute, guys. Okay guys, before I go to the next Chrome, but I have my other buyer account there. So I want to tell you something. Once your buyer ads account is disabled, kindly inform the buyer immediately, because I think the buyer did something. So they disabled. I will ask her now. So always ask them questions whenever their ads account is disabled, because she's telling me she did something. So ask them questions so that you will let them know it is all from their side, not from your side. Because if they don't understand you, they may get angry and you may lose the project. So always tell your buyer whatever is happening while you are working, what you need and what they need. You got to work together. So right now I'm going to close this Chrome. So guys, so this is the second Chrome I have here on my system. This is my other buyer's page. So as you can see, guys, the same content. I have the content here, a very short and straightforward content. So I'm going to click on boost post, as I said earlier. So guys, I want everything to be okay. Good, everything is downloading. So guys, now the first thing is this automatic. Do you want Facebook to get audience automatically, or you have a specific audience you want? What you want them to do? So right now I want those audience to send message to my buyer on Facebook, WhatsApp or Instagram. So I'm going to click on this second one. And if you want more engagement, these are ads that is run on Facebook to get more likes, more comment and more follows on your post, on your page. So I'll click on save. So as you can see, the second category here, this I already connected my messenger. As you can see, it's showing message button here. So the next page here is ask copy. As you can see, the content is here. Okay, this is the message that will be sent to the buyer immediately. The message to this auto message that I added there. So here is the audience, what age, and the age range and the state I want to pick. So here I actually want all, depending on the buyer's decision. The buyer said he wants age 18 to 60 to click on the ads, and his main target audience is from Europe. So you must follow whatever you ask the buyer. I asked my buyer, what is your targeted audience? He said his targeted audience is Europe and is from USA. So you always follow every details and everything you ask them. No one knows the buyer than the buyer. You don't ask them questions. You can't decide for them in some aspects, like running ads. You have to ask them questions, and you must let them be active at the period they are doing it, because you might need some questions. If they are offline, you won't be able to ask them, and if you're asking them, you have to leave the ads in draft, so which is not really good. So you should always let your buyers be active while you are doing all these things. 1 minute. So guys, I added the 3 European countries my buyer wants me to add, which is Germany, Spain, and Belgium. So now you can see this is the audience I want to target. Right, detailed targeting. I'm going to add online shoppers online, people that buy something online. So I added some of those things I need to add. So you click on save audience, then after that you have saved the audience. Remember, when you added the content on your post, you don't need to edit anything about it here again. And make sure that in this post there is your website, the buyer's website link, and search tags like keywords that are related to what the buyer products are. In this post, as I posted on this page on this Instagram, there is no website link there. So I'm just telling you so that you will not make any mistake. I deliberately did it because I didn't prepare this. I am not done yet with this buyer's project, but I just want to use it as an illustration to explain to you guys how to run ads. So once you're done with this audience, then you move to the next page. What is the next page? The next page is, so guys, the next page is daily ads budget. You know, I said earlier, you have to talk to your buyer about everything. If your buyer said, if you recommend $10 for the buyer, $10 in 7 days, that's $70. So you have to firstly discuss with the buyer about daily ads budget and every other thing you need to get started with the ads. So I'm putting 1,005 in this currency for daily ads budget. So as you can see, these are where the ads will show. We show on Instagram and on Facebook, because I already linked the Instagram with Facebook. So as you can see here, guys, the next section now is payment method. As I said earlier on my other video, you should ask your buyer to link their payment method to the Facebook page before you get the login to the Facebook, or before they add you as me on the Facebook page. It makes them feel more safe. If the login of the Facebook is with you and you are telling the buyer to link payment method to the Facebook page, some of them don't feel safe. Not all of them. Some of them feel skeptical when it comes to linking their payment method to something. So it's really good. You should let them do everything before they give you an access to their page. Thank you guys for watching my video. I really appreciate your time, dedication, and every other thing. I hope to see you in my next video, guys. Kindly subscribe, click on the notification bell, comment, like, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye, guys.